Hello everyone, it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. I have today my very first flavor of the month kit. This is from Scrapping for Less, and I went ahead and got the banana split edition because why not? So it comes in this nice pretty little packaging. It's all little ice cream cones, and this happened to be an anniversary edition, so let's just dig in here and see what we got. It's out of its package. We have 4 kits, and then this is the extra stuff that came with the banana split edition. This is my extras, and I'll go through that in a minute. I want to show you everything we got. This is 1 kit, a 2nd kit, a 3rd, a 4th, and I'll open these individually and show you. And then this is some cardstock. There is like an orangey, pumpkin orange or spice, red, it's like a true red, black, green, yellow, pink, and 2 white. So there you have a lot of paper here, and let me tell you, this is some good quality paper. So anyway, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just in cardstock alone, you could make 16 cards. So that's like 4 cards per kit. So I like that. That's cute. So let's open up the extras first. Okay, so the first thing in the banana split extras are these cute little sequins. It's called Let's Celebrate Collection Number 1. And they're all different kind of like candy colors, really pretty. And then some little stickers of ice cream cones and popsicles, or I guess they're not popsicles, they're more like a crunch thing. And this is from Paper House. Some sequins that are really cute. They've got nice dimension to them. I don't know if that'll show up in the picture, but they're very nice dimension. I haven't seen anything like that before. And then it comes with a Lawn Fawn set, and it's an ice cream, like a pint of ice cream with the lid, the spoon, and a heart, a little smiley heart face. And then it says treat yourself and then feel better. Oh, that's so cute. It's called Treat Yourself. I like that, and it all goes with the theme, right? Ice cream, party, celebration. And then there's some paper in here, and we've got some music. It says happy birthday, and some confetti dots. Oh, this is really cute. Make a wish, blow out the candles. I'll put the I'll look it up and find out the paper line for this for you. And it says happy birthday on the back. I think that's so cute. And all these kits are different. Like the papers I have may not be the same as what somebody else has. Happy birthday, hip hip hooray. Very cute little cut aparts. Happy birthday to you, birthday girl, birthday boy. These are great. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. And then little squigglies on the back. So this was all part of the extras and the little envelope for the banana split add-on. The next one, let's look at this little kit and see what's all in here. Okay, this kit feels like chock full. We've got some confetti, and it's called Happy Hooray Collection 4. And lots of pinks and greens and springy colors here. Then we've got some ephemera pieces, surprise, let's party, acetate, happy birdie, that's cute. And then party animal. I love this. This is really cute. And then look at this little balloon dogs. I think those are so cute. There's more. Lots of little balloon dogs. I love this. It's lots of little ones and a star. I guess that's an ephemera piece. But these are just so cute. I love them. This is a Stampin' Bella stamp. And it's called Ice Cream Solves Everything, and it's part of the Cool Chicks collection. And it's like an ice cream cone with scoops, This is really nice. I like it. Once upon a time, there was a girl who had a dream. All right, that's nice. It tells how the company started. I do not have any Stamping Bella stamps, so I'm looking forward to working with this, because it has little chicks inside the scoops of ice cream. I can't tell that from here, but I can tell it on the front. How cute is that? And then for the paper, this is thick paper. If I had to guess, I would say it's going to be your something like Carta Bella or something like that, but I'm not sure. We have birthday candles, and I will put it below just so you guys know for sure. Some animals, zoo animals with birthday party hats and balloons. That's cute. Cupcakes. Love that. Ice cream cones with sprinkles. That's really cute. More cut aparts. There's a little bent on the corner here, but I can smooth that out or cut it off. Hip hip hooray, surprise, yay, today is the day. I love doing birthday cards. And look at all those colorful balloons, circle balloons, I guess. Very pretty. All right, and then this also comes with an envelope. So that was kit number 1. So cute. And let's look at this one next. All right, all kinds of fun goodies in this one. First off, I'm going to pull out these little buttons, and they're ice cream and dessert themed, a sundae theme. So I have an ice cream cone, a sundae, cherries, and a grape popsicle that looks so good. It makes me want a popsicle, actually. And then most of the things I've seen is people cut the backs off and then use them as decoration for cards, and I think that's a good idea. So I'll probably do the same. Birthday Blowout collection number 2, and this one has more like darker colors, like the teal and the purple and the red. So it's definitely a different combination. Like let's see, that was Let's Party, Birthday Blowout, and this was Happy Hooray. Okay, so they're all different so far, and that's really cute. Now this looks like a custom made stamp. It says flavor of the month, and that could also be put into a birthday card. I don't know how I'm going to use that yet, but I know I could use it on my planner to mark when the release is coming out or the reveal of the kit, and then I'll have to see what I do with the card. This makes me have to be a little bit creative, so I like that. And then there's a piece of ribbon here as well. Okay. And this paper, we have some diagonals that will make your eyes go buggy. Teal and white dots. This says another year older, presents, candles. It's like, you know, a little word collage. Yellow diagonal stripes. These are thicker, so they don't make your eyes go quite as buggy. And some rainbow stripes and green with white dots. And another envelope. So that was kit number 2. We are cooking with gas here. And then we'll move on to number 3 and see what's in this bad boy. Okay, this kit was probably the one I was looking forward to opening the most. This is a La La Land Crafts stamp for Scrapping for Less, specifically for Scrapping for Less. It's ice cream is always a good idea. Mini Ice Cream Marcy. Let me put that up there so you can see that close up if possible. So cute. It's all one piece. I bet you could cut that. I bet you could cut that off, or maybe it's intended to be cut. I'm not sure. But it's really cute. I love the plaid, the way that's colored. Nice. Okay, so now we have Beach Babe Collection 3. And this is more of a rainbow because it's got a lot of pink and green, but it also has the blue and then a paler colors of lavender and white and things. Maybe even some like iridescent there. So that's pretty. Some dots. These are matte finish, like enamel dots, but they're matte finish. Some little tags. Cute. Okay, pink, and then a darker pink and gold. And this one is like a watercolor. I don't know if that dot is, but I don't think that dot's supposed to be there. I think it belongs up there. Okay, and then let's look at this beautiful paper with the mermaid rainbow scales. I love that. Oh, and it's double-sided, so we've got some pink kind of asterisk design there. Rainbow diagonal stripes is beautiful, and it's more like a rainbow writing page. If you look like that, like a handwriting thing you would give your kids or in school. Yellow and green plaid, so that's pretty. I've got a an 80s color wavy line, gorgeous. Pink with white dots. Another little mosaic teal design, and another rainbow horizontal stripes. Oh, that plaid's cute. Very, very tiny plaid rainbow. Green and white diagonal stripes, and then some rainbow dots. And another envelope. So that was kit number 3. And that leaves the last kit, number 4, which I can already tell that this glitter paper is getting all over everything. So I'm going to go get a towel from my closet so that I can open this up and not get everything glittery. So I will be right back. Okay, so I got a towel from my linen closet as base. I unwrapped it so we can have a look and see what's in this kit. This first one is ink. I'm glad I got the towel because it's got glitter over everything. I can just kind of stick it in the wash when I'm done, but I can go ahead and take that off. Ink It Up. I've never had this brand before. I have no idea what it is or how it works. Color's turquoise. Ink It Up. Acid-free raised pad. Okay, we'll give it a try. We have some ice cream stamps. It says, let's celebrate something today. Brain freeze. You make me melt. Here's the scoop. You're the best. What's the scoop? Favorite. And then this little ice cream cone says, I love ice cream. You're my, because ice cream's always a good idea. Life is like an ice cream cone. You have to lick it one day at a time, by Charles Schulz. And this is one flavor of the month, 1 year sentiment kit. Happy birthday, and then all these little ice cream cones. I love this one. So that's nice. Oh, and look, there's a die from Lawn Fawn. It says, you're sweet. How nice. There's so much value in this kit. I'm like really impressed. And then let's look at the glitter paper. It's very awesome looking. Red, yellow. Oh man, that yellow is really yellow. Orange and gold. This is great for like fall. Look at those colors. I might save these for that. And they are really sparkly. Okay, so I've kind of cleaned things up a little bit, and I just want to say that I am like really impressed with with everything I got in this kit, and I really find that the value is exceptional in my opinion, and I am so glad I purchased this, and I can't even wait to see the next month. But anyway, thank you very much for watching my video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks a lot, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.